Filipinos still under strict healthcare recovery treatment and a regimen. The president saw it fit to lead the launching of a mobile program that leverages technology to bring training and work opportunities to a growing number of qualified Filipinos. Our Kenneth Paciente hashes over the details of the unveiling of TESDA Skills Passport mobile program earlier today.
Lester graduated with a degree in electronics engineering, but to further enhance his skills, he took a short course in mechatronics servicing at TESDA, a move that he says greatly helped him speed up his job search.
Bago po ako mag-enroll sa TESDA, talagang wala pa po akong alam. Kahit na graduate po ako, aminado po ako na kulang pa yung kakayanan ko. Kaya nung naisip po yung TESDA po, yung makakatulong sa akin para ma-enhance lalo yung skills ko.
To further expand access to upskilling and employment for TESDA graduates, the TESDA Skills Passport mobile app was launched led personally by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. It is a platform designed to consolidate training records, certifications, and employment facilitation into a single application. This initiative aims to make skills development more accessible, transparent, and open to the public while being anchored on modern technology.
Sa panahon ngayon, hindi na talaga may hiwalay ang teknolohiya sa ating mga buhay. Halos lahat konektado sa internet. Halos lahat may access at gamit ang cellphone. Pag-aaral, pakikipag-usap, pati trabaho, digital na rin. Kaya't gagamitin natin ang teknolohiya at ang pagkakataong ito upang makasabay sa takbo ng panahon at mapalawak ang oportunidad para sa ating mga kababayan.
The app features guidance from training to employment. Through this, TESDA graduates can post their profiles for employers seeking skilled workers, whether locally or abroad. Certificates and training records can also be viewed in the app, making it easier for potential employers to verify qualifications. The app also provides direct access to TESDA online programs, where users can find free courses offered based on their skills. Scholarship opportunities are also available, which users can avail of and apply for directly through the app.
Tinanong ko nga kay Sec Kiko kung paano, kung ako ay employer, paano ako nakakasiguro na yung mga pinapakita na sinabing dinaan ng training ay totoo. Ay yun lahat ng mga impormasyon dito ginamit na natin ang blockchain para maliwanag na maganda at totoo lahat ng impormasyon na inyong binibigay.
The President once again emphasized that the government continues its efforts to promote quality education in the country. This is evidenced by the highest amount of funding allocated to the education sector this year.
Asahan ninyo na kami sa pamahalaan ay hindi titigil sa trabaho upang tulungan na kayo ay guminhawa ang inyong mga buhay. Patuloy naming sisiguruhin na may sapat na pondo ang edukasyon. Palalakasin din namin ang pagsulong ng skills development ng bawat mamamayang Pilipino.
The TESDA Skills Passport mobile application can be downloaded for free from app stores. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.